Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Knowledge, and today we are talking about what is a corona and how the corona formation occur in high voltage transmission line. So first, what is the definition of corona? It is a very important concept in high voltage engineering as well as power system engineering, and we will understand this concept by simple animation that you will see in the video. So let's get started. First, what is the definition of corona? The phenomena of violet glow, hissing sound, and production of ozone gas on overhead transmission line is known as corona. So what these things tells us? This type of violet glow that you might see in high tension line. So this is the violet glow that occur in high voltage due to corona. And another things that you might hear a hissing noise or humming noise in high voltage line, that is also due to corona. Now another thing is that why the ozone gas formation during corona are due to reason this electrical discharge or corona discharge split the oxygen molecule. What the corona occur or what the corona do? It split the oxygen molecule into a two single oxygen atom. It means this is a one oxygen atom and it is splitted into a two single oxygen atom. Why? Due to discharge or corona discharge that is occur in the transmission line. This corona discharge occur in transmission line that cause the oxygen molecule that cause split the oxygen molecule into a two single atom. Why? What where is the oxygen is in the air surrounding the violet glow, and due to that the ozone formation occur during corona. Now we will see how the formation of corona occur in the high voltage transmission line. Some electron, cosmetic rays, ultraviolet radiations and the radioactivities are always present in normal air. This is a simple concept that these things are always present in the normal air. So you can see that this is a conductor in air and the surrounded by air. It means the conductor is in air, and some electrons, ultraviolet radiations, some cosmic rays and radioactivities are always present in the normal air. Now what happened due to this? When high voltage is given to the conductor that produce electric field around the conductor. You can say this is the conductor and the electric field. These black lines are electric field that produced due to current flow through the conductor, and the free electrons are always present around the conductor. These are the free electrons. You can see these are the free electrons that always present around the conductor due to cosmic rays, radioactivity, ultraviolet radiation. These are the reason why the electrons are present surround the conductor. These electrons experience the different kind of forces and create non-uniform field. It means these electrons are randomly arranged in this field, and that produce or that cause what cause this magnetic field surrounding the conductor cause different force on these free electrons. So what happened due to that? You can see the neutral molecules are also present in the surrounding air with the electrons. Now these free electrons get energy from the electric field and collide with the neutral. So you can see that this electrons is collide with the neutral molecule. Now concentrate on this figure. What happened? First the electron collide with the neutral molecule, and that cause another free electrons and the positive ion formation. You can see once again you can see this is the free electrons that collide with the neutral, neutral molecule. Now these free electrons that is in the surrounding air collide with the neutral molecule, cause the another free electrons and positive ions. Now these another free electrons again collide with neutral molecule, because there are number of neutral molecules in the air as well as number of electrons present in the air. Now this is a cumulative process, and another electrons, more and more electrons produced surrounded the conductors, and that cause finally result of corona. This is why the formation of continuous formation of free electrons that cause these free electrons again collide with this type of neutral molecules, and that cause again two formation. What the two things that generate from that? Another free electrons as well as positive ions. So this is a cumulative process, and at last the corona occur across the line. So thanks for watching this video. If you have still any query, just comment it. I will definitely reply.